Section 2. Video 3. React Elements. We have two main objectives in this video. 1. We will look at React.createElement in more detail. 2. We will style the element with the ID of header using CSS on the HTML page. In the previous video, we introduced React's createElement method. We used it to create a React element expressing an H1 header with the text Hello World inside it. We then replaced it with some JSX. Let's comment out the JSX, and express it using React's createElement method again. We will now explain the input parameters of createElement. The first parameter is the element type. The type can be either a tag name string, such as h1, or a div tag, or any other HTML tag. Or, it can be a React component type, or a React fragment type. The second parameter is optional. It is called props, which is short for properties, of the element type. React props is an object of keys and values. The props object keys are akin to HTML tag attributes. In our example, the props are null. For illustration purposes, let's add some props to our example. For example, we will add an object with a key of ID, and a value of header. This is equivalent to putting an ID attribute on an HTML tag. We can demonstrate that by adding some style to elements that have the ID of header. Let's go to public, index.html. We will add some style within the head element, giving the header ID element a color of red. Save the file and see the header text color change to red. Let's go back to source, index.js. Now, the third parameter of React's createElement is also optional. It is the child, or possibly several children, to the type. These children can be text strings or other React elements. In our example, we have a single text string child to the h1 tag type, with the text Hello World. Now that we have explained React's createElement, we can delete the explanatory comments. To summarize, in this video, we looked at React createElement, showing its parameters. And we styled the element with the ID of header using CSS on the HTML page. In the next video, we will explain what JSX is, and how to use it in React.